Anker Prime Charging Docking Station. Best for raw power. Most docking stations charge your laptop. The Anker Prime doesn't just charge it, it practically throws electricity at it. This thing delivers 180 watts of total power output, with 140 watts available to your host laptop alone. I connected it to a MacBook Pro 16-inch running Final Cut Pro with an external GPU on the side, and it kept the battery topped up the entire time. That almost never happens. But here's what makes the Anker Prime genuinely clever. It has a companion app. You can monitor real-time power distribution across every port from your phone, set charging priorities, and get alerts when power delivery shifts. That sounds like a gimmick until you're mid-project and your dock is intelligently managing which devices get priority power. Then it feels essential. The port selection covers everything. Dual 4K 60Hz HDMI, 2 USB-C, 3 USB-A Ethernet, and an SD card slot. There's also a 100-watt USB-C port on the front for quick charging phones and accessories without reaching around the back. The trade-offs are that it's big. This is not a dock you're sliding into a bag. It lives on your desk permanently. The size is the cost of that power output, and at around $250, it's a premium purchase. But if your workflow demands serious power delivery and you've ever had a dock fail to keep your laptop charged under load, the Anker Prime solves that problem definitively.